Hey crafty paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Brable Fox. It's Josephine here with another process video for you using the beautiful perspectives from the November Fox box. The perspective from the November Fox box, I love the golden autumn font. It's so classic, and the rainbows and the umbrella, I love them all. We start with a round circle that I cut out from the design paper from Paige Bungalowlane collection, and a photo also cut in a circle. Put them together and stitch circle rounds with white sewing thread, and by using my sewing machine for that. And I place my photo, my round circle photo, in the center of this scrapbook layout, and I already selected some die cuts and embellishments from the Bungalowlane collection, and here are rough the edges of the flowers. I curl them a little and I place them under and on top of my photo, so I make a big flower cluster. I love the leaves as well, and I stitch these leaves with golden sewn threads in the center and use my sewing machine, and I'm slide them easily under my flower cluster that I made. I used some adhesive tape and 3D foam to form my layers, and I thought maybe it's a great idea to not to use only the colored flowers of leaves, but I cut some white leaves as well, and so with my sewing machine I stitched a golden thread in the center of these white leaves as well. And I thought it's a great idea to make a big colored flower and leaves cluster, and around my photo I place only the white leaves. So I thought that will be a great design. So I place my umbrella on top of my flower, and just look at these cute little pink rainbows. They are so cute, and I love the dots on it, and I love the dots as well on the umbrella. Here I start with the white leaves that I cut out from white cardstock and use different spell binders, and I place the white leaves around my photo. So just look at all these white leaves around my photo that I stitched with gold threads through the center, and in combination with the golden word autumn from the beautiful perspectives from the November Fox box, it fits perfect. I think it's a very classy combination. So I'm very happy how this turned out with all the white leaves around my photo in combination with the colored leaves. So here my title for this layout is Autumn Butterflies, and the words for butterflies I place them on top of my golden perspectives. The clouds, I glue them with glossy accents, so my clouds hold perfect in place on this layout. And here I slide 2 epoxy leaves under my cluster, and I think I think it's a very great how this page turned out. And here I place some butterflies around my title, and some orange enamel dots, and then it's time to make some splatters. And I made splatters in different colors on my scrapbook layout. First we start with white acrylic paint that I mix with a little bit of water and splashing around with my brush. Here I made some splatters with the acrylic ink from Amsterdam Light Gold, and I chose 2 different the distress oxides, the color 1 lipstick and spice marmalade, and made splashes around my photo and on my leaves as well with these beautiful colors. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope I give you some great ideas how to use your perspectives. And of course, don't forget to check the great group on the Facebook group Brable Fox Friends for more beautiful inspiration with all these beautiful perspectives. And I hope to see you next time on YouTube for another crafty video with beautiful perspectives. So for now, wish you a beautiful and crafty day, friends, and hope to see you next time on YouTube. For now, bye bye.